Now we will see the working of a simple electrochemical cell. In the last video, we have seen the constructions of a zinc copper cell where a zinc rod is dipped in the solution of ZnSO4 and a copper rod is dipped in the solution of CuSO4. And the two solutions are connected by a U-shaped tube known as salt bridge. And we observe when these two rods, copper and zinc rods, are connected by a wire, the electron flows from zinc to copper and current flows from copper to zinc. Okay. Now the question is, what is the working of the cell? What reactions takes place? How the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy? Now see, in this compartment, actually, zinc atom present in the rod, the zinc atom present in the rod gets converted into Zn2 plus ion by losing 2 electrons. Means oxidation takes place. Zinc atom, here the zinc atom gets converted into Zn2 plus ion and it enters into the solution. यहाँ से जिंक जो है, जिंक एटम 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करेगा और Zn2 प्लस आयन सॉल्यूशन के अंदर जाएगा. इससे क्या होगा? द जिंक रॉड मींस दिस इलेक्ट्रोड, दिस जिंक इलेक्ट्रोड विल लूज इट्स वेट. इसका वेट धीरे धीरे घटेगा and the released electrons will be accumulated on the rod, so it becomes negatively charged. The rod becomes negatively charged. So in zinc electrode, zinc loses its electron and gets converted into Zn2 plus ion. The electrons deposited on the rod and zinc 2 plus ion will enter into the solution. So the concentration of Zn2 plus ion in ZnSO4 increases. You know, ZnSO4 solution contains Zn2 plus ion and SO4 minus ion. Now, due to the conversion of zinc atom into Zn2 plus ion and Zn2 plus ion enters into the solution, the concentration of Zn2 plus ion increases in the solution. And the electrons are accumulated on the rod. So it becomes negative terminal of the cell. Now, what will happen in this compartment? In this compartment, copper sulfate solution contains Cu2 plus ion and SO4 2 minus ion. The Cu2 plus ion present in the solution will receive electron from the rod and the copper will be deposited on it. The copper will be deposited on it. So Cu2 plus ion, in second compartment, Cu2 plus ion receive electron, Cu2 plus ion present in the solution will receive electrons and gets converted into copper which is deposited on the rod. इससे क्या होगा? इसका वेट रॉड का क्या होगा? इंक्रीज होगा. यहाँ रॉड का वेट क्या होगा? डिक्रीज होगा. यहाँ पे Zn2 प्लस आयन का कंसेंट्रेशन बढ़ेगा और यहाँ क्या होगा? Cu2 प्लस आयन कंसेंट्रेशन विल डिक्रीज इन दिस सॉल्यूशन. तो therefore the concentration of Cu2 plus ion decreases in this solution and concentration of Zn2 plus ion increases in the solution. Since it receives electron from the rod, therefore the rod becomes positively charged. It becomes positively charged. So this is the positive terminal of the cell. This is positive terminal of the cell. Copper rod becomes positive terminal and zinc rod becomes negative terminal of the cell. Okay. Now, due to the charge separation, it becomes negatively charged and it becomes positively charged. Therefore, there is a charge separation. A potential difference will set up between these two. Due to the potential difference, what will happen? The flow of charge will take place and electron will start moving from zinc rod to copper rod. ये यहाँ से यहाँ जाएगा और उस इलेक्ट्रॉन को फिर Cu2 plus ion रिसीव करेगा. And the directions of current is opposite to the flow of electron. Therefore, current will start moving from copper rod to zinc rod. Here you can see in this compartment, in ZnSO4 solution, Zn gets converted into Zn2 plus ion. Therefore, what type of reaction takes place? Oxidation. This is oxidation. And the electrode where oxidation takes place known as anode. Therefore, it is known as anode. And in this compartment, what reaction takes place? Cu2 plus ion gets converted to Cu. Reduction takes place. and this is the reduction compartment, and this electrode is known as cathode. So in electrochemical cell, zinc electrode is called anode and copper electrode is called cathode. So what we observe here, zinc rod gradually loses its weight, and the concentration of Zn2 plus ion in ZnSO4 solutions increases, right? Copper gets deposited on the electrode, copper rod, right? So copper rod gains weight, and concentration of Cu2 plus ion in the solution of CuSO4 decreases due to the conversion of Cu2 plus ion into C. There is a flow of electron in external circuit from zinc rod to copper rod, and therefore the current flows from copper to zinc. This is the simple working of the cell. Now, what will the cell reaction? See, what is the cell reaction here? You have observed that at anode, what actually happens? Zinc loses electron and gets converted into Zn2 plus ion. So oxidation reactions takes place, and at cathode reduction takes place. Cu2 plus ion plus 2 electron gives C. हाँ, बच्चा ये क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है, सर इसमें ही ऐसा क्यों नहीं हुआ, उल्टा क्यों नहीं हुआ? Because zinc has more tendency to lose electron as compared to copper, and it will be decided by electrode potential. Okay, हम लोग देखेंगे इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल का वैल्यू, उसमें देखेंगे कि Cu2 plus ion has more tendency to gain electron as compared to Zn2 plus ion. ठीक है ना? On the other hand, Zn has more tendency to lose electron as compared to copper. That's why when zinc is dipped in the solution of ZnSO4, it loses electron. Zinc loses electron. And when copper is dipped in the solution of CuSO4, Cu2 plus ion gains electron, because Cu2 plus ion has higher reduction potential than Zn2 plus ion. Okay, it can be determined experimentally. While zinc has higher oxidation potential as compared to copper. Right? Now, what will the overall cell reactions be? The overall cell reactions will be, if you add these two reactions, Zn plus Cu2 plus ion equals, it gives Zn2 plus ion equals solution. You can write here concentration also, plus copper. Okay. Now, how can we represent this cell? Representation of cell. Representation of this cell. See, when we represent this cell, the oxidation and reduction compartment are separated by a double vertical line known as salt bridge. This represents, this is the symbol of salt bridge, double vertical line. Okay, on left side, you should remember a word lone, L-O-A-N, lone. L means left, O for oxidation, A for anode, and N for negative electrode. So, on the left side of salt bridge, we have oxidation compartment where oxidation takes place, therefore the electrode is anode and is the negative terminal of the cell. So here we write Zn single vertical line, Zn2 plus ion. If the concentration is given, then we can write here concentration 1 mole per liter. Here we write Zn gets converted to Zn2 plus ion. On the left side, a copper rod is dipped in the CuSO4 solution. What will happen here? On right side, the reduction takes place and the electrode is called cathode and it is positive terminal. So we represent Cu2 plus ion having concentration 1m. Concentration of CuSO4 solution is 1m. Single vertical line, copper. So it is the representation of cell. This is the salt bridge. This compartment is known as oxidation compartment or anode, and this is called reduction compartment, that is cathode. Now there is one question. Sir, ये salt bridge का क्या काम है? What is the function of this salt bridge? So in next video we will see the function of the salt breeze.